Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the internship program. Before that, let me just put this into right. So, as discussed, welcome you all in the internship program. So, this is a 6 weeks AI ML internship program. So, we are really happy to have you all onboarded with us. Before we move ahead, let us take a moment and I just want to discuss with you about the organization that you are now associated with, that is GNCIPL. Okay, so GNCIPL is an organization that strongly believes in learning, innovation, and practical exposure. Okay, so the company actually focuses on just on delivering, not just on delivering the result, but also on building the skills, nurturing the talent, and encouraging the continuous growth. One of the key strengths of GNCIPL is its learning driven culture. Here, interns are not treated as temporary resources, they are treated as the future professionals, which you are. Okay, so we will be treating you as a future professional. You need to be mentioned, like you need to have that all the professionalism here, so to take it further. Okay, so you are encouraged to ask questions, explore new ideas, and learns by doing the practical stuff. Okay. So GNCIPL provides you an environment where learning is prioritized over pressure. Practical knowledge is valued more than the rote theory. Mistakes are seen as part of growth, and guidance and mentorship are always available. You just need to ask for it. Okay. By joining GINCIPL, you are becoming part of a team that values the curiosity, discipline, and understand industry expectations and prepare yourself confidently for future career opportunities. Okay, so we are really glad to have you as the part of GNCIPL learning community, and we look forward seeing your growth and achievements during the internship period. Okay, so now let me introduce myself. Okay, so this is Abhipsha Guha, and I will be your mentor during this internship. So, my role is to guide you, support you, and help you learn, not to judge you. So, you can be frank with me, you can just ask whatever be your doubts, I'll be there to help you out. Okay. Suppose if you are stuck, you are confused, you are unsure, you are encouraged to ask questions. So, I am repeatedly mentioning that you are encouraged to ask questions. It's not like if you don't understand, then also you need to just suppress yourself. It's not like that. You are always encouraged to ask your question, your doubts, whatever be it. We will be there to help you out. Okay. Next, coming down about the program. So this is actually a 6 weeks internship. Of course, the course mode would be online. There would be sessions on regular basis that would not exceed more than 1 hour, 30 minutes. So there would be topic-wise sessions that would be there that you need to go ahead with. Okay. So moving ahead, now we will be understanding, like before going ahead, we just need to understand about the purpose of the internship. Okay. So the main purpose of this internship is to give you practical hands-on experience to help you apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios to build problem solving, communications, and professional skills to prepare you for the industry expectations. Okay, so by the end of this internship, you should feel more confident, skilled, and job ready than when you are actually started. Okay, so all of this we will be taking you with. Okay, going further about the internship roadmap that we need to discuss over. Okay. Before that, just wanted to give you the idea about internship duration and the structure. As mentioned, this is a 6 week internship. So we will be there would be learning sessions, there would be hands-on task, and then there would be mini project, and there would be one major final project, then there would be the regular review and the feedback sessions given to you so that you, whatever be the part of, based on the project that you are delivering there, whatever be the mistakes or whatever be the improvement that needs to be done, that you get a regular feedback on. Okay. So each phase is designed to gradually improve your skills step by step. Okay. Coming down to the learning roadmap. So during this internship, you will learn the core concepts related to the domain, tools and technology used in the industries, how to work with the real data sets, real problems, how to think and solve problems like a professional. This all things you will be understanding and learning. Okay, so if I need to just segregate this roadmap into three forms, so I'll take an initial phase, that is the basic foundation that should be there for anyone going ahead. Okay, next there is a middle phase, that is the practice, the mini projects that would be there. Accordingly, the feedback will be given down to you on the projects that you'll be preparing. Okay, and there would be a final phase. In the final phase, a major project that needs to be there. There should be a proper presentation and a feedback given to that. Okay. Now coming down to the projects and the practical work. So projects are very important part of this internship. So you will work on realistic industry-oriented projects. So the projects may be like going down, you have to do some of the individual projects on it. So in the long run, if we think we can just take it to other form, but that is for the other form. But as of now, the all of the projects would be individual that you need to go ahead with. Okay. So the focus is on understanding, not just memorizing the stuff. So through the projects, you will learn how to approach a problem, how to break it into smaller subtasks, and how to implement the solution. How to explain your work clearly in the presentation so that not only you, the others can also understand what exactly you wanted to prepare over. Okay, so everything would be guided to you, everything is well structured. Even the projects that you'd be preparing before that, there would be dedicated sessions related to those, and some of the hand-on practice would be there in the session so that you can just gain the like you can just gain the confidence from there, and relevantly you can just go ahead and work with the project. Okay. Coming down with the evaluation and performance criteria. So your performance will be evaluated based on the regular participation, task and assignment completion that would be given, willingness to learn and improve. Next, we will be checking the quality of the project work. Along with that, the communication and the professionalism will also be checked. So we don't expect here the perfection. We value effort, consistency, curiosity, and honesty over anything, over the speed as well. Okay, so will be given the support from our end, but you need to just make it work in a correct way. Okay, moving down. So this is this course structure. So there would be week 1. In details, what are the curriculum part? What are the exact things that would be covered in week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5? That I'll be explaining to you. I'll be sharing you the curriculum so that you can just have the access with that, and also can get an idea like these are the things that would be accordingly given down in the session form in this internship. Okay, so first week, that is Python, dedicatedly Python, because that is the programming language that we are going ahead with for AIML. Along with the math refreshers part, the basic maths you will be designed, like you will be taught with. Coming down with the week 2, then we go down for data visualization and pre-processing. Then we have week 3 that comprises of the supervised machine learning. Coming down to week 4, that is unsupervised learning and the model tuning part. Coming down fifth week, that is neural network and introduction to the deep learning. Okay, so for all of these sessions from first week to fifth week, you will be having back-to-back theory sessions. Like the theory is, of course, that should be there because without the theory part, how you will be implementing that? Okay, so you need to understand the theory, and in very simple way, the theories has been will be explained to you so that you get to connect it with the real world so that the things become easier for you to understand. And then we have also gone ahead and we will be discussing about the hands-on. Okay, we will be just practicing it in the session so that you get an understanding how to work. So this internship is designed for absolute beginners to the advanced people so that anyone who have a minute idea as well related to this, they can also take it further and also related to someone who has zero knowledge about it. So we have just taken it and designed it in a way so that anyone can just take it further. Okay. Going down the 6 week final project. So before that, this for all this week, like suppose the first week is Python for AI ML and the math part. So after the sessions, you will be given with the project that you need to cover. So after a week, you will be given a mini project to work. So from first week to fifth week, there will be simple mini project. Going down in the sixth week, that is the final week, final project, so that there you will be have a capstone project and deployment. So in practical, you have to work with the model, like you need to prepare a AI ML model and then you need to deploy your AI ML model using Streamlit. Okay, so we have also discussed other platforms, but as of now, we can think about Streamlit or Vendor, any one of it. Okay, coming down. Okay, just a moment, guys. Yeah. Fine. Coming down to the learning approach, okay? So it is concept based plus the hands-on learning. Both you will be getting up here. So first you will be learning through the sessions. Then you'll have the practice, like the hands-on in the session itself. Then the build part, that is the weekend project, will be given down to you. Deploy, that is you need to work on your project and deploy your project, and then you need to share your project in GitHub, okay, for further evaluation. Coming down about the weekly learning plan. So there will be theoretical sessions from Monday to Friday. There will be back-to-back daily sessions based on the concepts that are dedicated for that very week. Okay, so that actually focuses on the AI ML deep concept that are actually requiring for you to understand before moving ahead. Okay, so after the theory sessions, you will be given down with a mini project. So that will be shared on the WhatsApp group. So weekly mini project will be shared to you on the WhatsApp group on every Friday night, so that you get have the access. Like you can just complete your project within the weekends and submit it by Monday. Okay. So this is the idea. And the details of submission link and everything will be shared to you on the WhatsApp group, how it will be taken further. Okay. Now project presentation. So you need to present your project. Okay. So the same week we are going ahead with that week only, you have to just go down for project presentation. So you need to present your mini project. So here I have mentioned in the class, no, but here you have to just record your project presentation because like this, we won't be accessing it further. So you need to share your approach, your code, your outcomes, everything will be given. You have to record it. I'll be also showing you and telling you the way how you have to record it when we will be just moving down to the project explanation part. In there, I'll just give you the entire details, how you have to do it, in what way it will be evaluated, everything I'll be explaining. Okay, so don't worry on that. But the project explanation video that you need to prepare it and share with us for the feedback. Okay. Coming down the theoretical sessions. So it will be from Monday to Friday. And each session would be max to max 1 to 1.5 hours. That is the maximum limit. That is, of course, more of the sessions are within the range of 1 hour, 1 hour, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 10 minutes, like that. Okay. So coming down to the theoretical sessions, so we need to build a strong foundation about the AI ML concept. We need to understand the parts, the mathematical, the logical part of the algorithm. Then only we will be moving ahead to the practical part. If we don't understand the basic, how we will be able to go for the practicals, right? So we will be understanding that. Okay. So there would be the concept explanation, and then there would be the whatever. If you have some of the doubts and stuff, that would be cleared from our end. Okay. Moving down the mini projects, as I mentioned you. So every Friday it will be shared on the WhatsApp group in the evening. So mini project will be shared every Friday evening in the official WhatsApp group. And each project focuses on applying the week's project, like the week's concept. Overall, the week, whatever you have applied, you have learned, like you have learned the theoretical part and the practical part in the project, you will be applying that concepts only. Okay, so the task will be for small, focused, and hands-on to strengthen your understanding. So all of you, the interns, are expected to complete and submit the project before the deadline. You need to maintain the deadline. You should not cross the deadline. Okay, so it will help you to build your portfolio with real-world AI ML projects. Okay. Coming down with the presentation part. So this presentation part, every one of you have to present your mini project from scratch. Like you have to explain the detailed idea. Suppose you are going down with the Python code where you are just explaining in details about like a EDA project maybe. So each and everything, the code you need to explain, how you have learned it, like in the sessions, how I'll be explaining you the similar way you have to explain you. Explain us the same thing in the explain the same thing with the video, and that video you need to share. How you need to share it, where you will be sharing it, everything I'll give you the update. But here you just, this is the orientation session only, right? So you just need to know what are the flow. When we will be coming down with the first project explanation, there in details I'll explain each and everything so that things are clear to you and you don't like make any mistake while working with that. Okay. Now you need to showcase your codes, what is the output, what is the learning during the entire session, everything you need to do it. Here, your confidence, your communication, your presentation skill, everything will be checked. Okay, and by each passing week, the way you will be explaining it, that would be enhanced. Okay, and after all, after you have submitted it, a constructive feedback will also be provided by my end to help you out to improve further. Okay. Coming down, what are the expectations that we have from you as an intern? So we want your active participation and curiosity, a regular submission and attendance. There should be a collaboration with respect and in a both end, right? You have to do it gracefully and you need to do it with utmost professionalism. Okay, so there should be continuous line learning mindset that you need to build it up, because without learning how things will work, you need to understand that and need to just take a positive set of mind while coming down. Okay, so coming down with the professionalism and responsibility, everything will be given to you, but you have to be utmost responsible, utmost like professional when you are working, when you are speaking. You should maintain the integrity and the ethics. And there should be, of course, the proactiveness initiative that should be shown from your end to know anything. Like if you have any doubts also, you need to ask it, right? Just open to ask question. Until and unless you are asking question, things won't be clear to you, right? Coming down with the growth and resilience, also this internship will provide you growth and resilience at the end of the internship. Okay. Coming down with the communication, so you will never be alone during the internship. You can ask doubts during coming down, whatever be the doubts you are having in the sessions. You can contact the mentor, of course, and also there would be doubt clearing sessions and the review sessions as well. So you don't have to worry on that. So these are the WhatsApp group. So you'll be the member of the WhatsApp group. There you'll be added it up. I guess you all are now the members of WhatsApp group. If not, you will be added it up there. And these are the two mail IDs. That are the official mail IDs. If you have any issue, any problem, any doubt, you can directly mail it up. And in this mini underscore project at the rate gncilcipl.com, here you will be sharing your projects. How you'll be sharing that I'll be explaining later. But in this mail ID, you have to just submit your project. So keep a note of this mail ID. Okay. Going down, we have to innovate, explore, and create together. Okay. So we need to take it like that. So each one of you is here because we believe you have the potential. Okay. So do not compare yourself with others. Focus on your own growth accordingly. And of course, the mistakes are part of learning. We understand that. And what matters is how you improve after making them. If you stay consistent and curious, this internship can be a turning point in your career journey. Okay, so you can just take it further. So, once again, welcome you all in this internship program. This is a 6 week AIML internship program. We look forward to learn and grow together, to explore and to create the future together. Okay, let's make this internship a productive, enjoyable, and a meaningful one. Okay, so thank you everyone. So, this is the whole orientation session. If you have any questions, any doubt, you can definitely let me know. I'll be there to help you out. And by then, we will be starting our sessions accordingly. And you have to just going through with that, and eventually, we will be taking it further. Okay. So thank you everyone. Bye.